Ever wondered how to stay cool during a heat wave? Well, first let's understand what a heat wave is. It's a prolonged period of excessively hot weather, which may be accompanied by high humidity. Now, why is it important to stay cool? Heat waves can pack a punch with potential dangers like heat stroke, dehydration, and exhaustion. These aren't just uncomfortable, they can be downright dangerous. So, how do you beat the heat? Let's dive into some cool tips. Tip number 1, stay hydrated. Now, ain't this a no-brainer? But it's worth repeating. During a heat wave, your body loses fluids faster than a leaky faucet, so it's crucial to replenish them. Guzzle down water, enjoy some refreshing fruit juices, or grab a sports drink. These fluids help to keep your body's temperature down and maintain your energy levels. However, you might want to steer clear of alcohol and caffeinated beverages. They can dehydrate you faster than you'd think. Remember, hydration is key to staying cool and healthy during a heat wave. Tip number 2, dress appropriately. In the midst of a heat wave, your choice of attire can make all the difference. Opt for loose, lightweight, and light-colored clothing. Such fabrics allow air circulation, keeping you cooler. Lighter shades reflect the sun's rays instead of absorbing them like darker colors do. Don't forget your hat and sunglasses when stepping outdoors. They provide vital protection from the sun's harmful rays. Remember, it's not just about looking good, it's about feeling good too. Dressing smart can make a big difference in how you handle the heat. Tip number 3, keep your environment cool. It's crucial to maintain a cool living space during a heat wave. Fans and air conditioners are your best friends at this time. And remember, keep those blinds closed when the sun's at its peak. A cool shower or bath can also work wonders to bring down your body temperature. It's all about creating a personal haven away from the heat. By keeping your environment cool, you can significantly reduce the impact of a heat wave. So, to recap, we've taken a journey through the scorching heat and learned some vital tips to keep ourselves cool during a heat wave. First and foremost, we emphasized the importance of staying hydrated. Keep in mind, water is your best friend in high temperatures. It'll keep your body at an optimal temperature and prevent dehydration. We then delved into the art of dressing to beat the heat. Light, loose-fitting, and breathable fabrics are your allies here. They allow your body to cool down and breathe, making the heat more bearable. Finally, we discussed keeping your environment cool. From using fans and air conditioners to blocking out the sun with curtains or blinds, every little action can contribute to a cooler home and a cooler you. Remember, these tips are not just advice, they're essential practices to ensure your health and comfort during a heat wave. With these tips in your arsenal, you're now ready to tackle any heat wave that comes your way. Stay cool and safe, folks.